Why were you circling the crime scene?
I was giving you aerial backup.
You're welcome.
Backup?
You confused everyone.
So did your last briefing.
Oh, she's got you there, Sarge. Very funny.
Tip jars, bud.
You jammed our walkie-talkies.
Just giving your drama a pause.
This isn't a TV show.
With you, it's premium content.
Ha! Oh, man. Hey, you're banned from the control room. Your screensavers needed excitement.
Not this kind.
Then pick better settings.
That bird's got a point.
You stole my radio again.
Borrowed to improve your playlist.
I don't need your help, Feathers.
Your music says otherwise.
Hand it over.
Nah, we're just getting to the good part.
This is gold.
You're impossible.
And you're welcome.
Stop distracting my team.
They're distracted by you, not me.
That's rude.
Honesty usually is.
Oh, man.
Stop tweeting false alarms.
Your updates needed spice.
People got confused.
So did your briefing notes.
Why were you perched on my car?
Free parking.
Nice roof.
That's not an answer.
Best you'll get.
You impersonated a dispatcher.
I sounded better than him.
That's not the point.
It's the highlight. Anytime you need a fill-in, I take crackers as payment.
It's scratching.
Don't mock my handwriting.
It mocked itself.
Ha! It's readable.
To who? Archaeologists?
You done?
For now. Need a Rosetta Stone for this thing. You broke our speed radar.
I sneezed. It wasn't built for real power.
Birds don't sneeze that strong.
This one does. Certified menace.
You roasted half the station today.
Efficiency is my superpower.
We're filing complaints.
File them under entertainment.
Oh, that's good.
Did you hear this, Bird?
File them under entertainment.
Next case.
Why'd you take my sunglasses?
Save the world from that reflection.
Ha! My reflection is fine.
That's the problem.
You're lucky you're cute.
And you're lucky I work pro bono.
Why do you keep interfering in our tests?
Because you keep failing them.
I don't fail.
Your face says you do.
My face is fine. I crushed that obstacle course.
You crush the ground when you miss the rope.
You think you're funny?
Everyone else does.
Call me Budget RoboCop.
You called it accurate.
No, I didn't.
Denial detected.
Ha! I'm not hearing this.
Volume up.
Oh, man!
You all done?
Affirmative.
Why did you unplug the security camera?
It blinked at me first, creepy thing. Cameras don't blink. Then yours needs repair.
Oh, that's good.
Why were you flying in circles above the station?
I was checking if logic exists here.
That's not funny.
Neither is your budget for new chairs.
You were shouting at birds again.
They started it.
They gossip louder than you.
Birds don't gossip.
Oh, honey, they know everything. Guess I'll take your word for it.
We caught you stealing a police hat. Borrowing. Your fashion needed help.
We don't need help.
You really do. Trust me.
All right, feathered friend, why were you in the evidence
I
room?
needed snacks. You hide them well.
Ha! Those weren't snacks.
Then label better.
Oh, man. You're unbelievable.
Unbelievably hungry.
Somebody get him a menu.
You ignored 3 warnings.
I ignore boring voices automatically.
Ha! I'm not boring.
Your tone hit snooze twice.
Oh, man! Okay, that's enough, Feathers.
Snooze, snooze.
Did you just steal my coffee?
Borrowed. You weren't using the joy in it.
That was my coffee.
Now it's my energy upgrade.
Oh, man.
Stop mocking my voice!
Stop mocking my voice.
I mean it, Featherball.
I mean it, Featherball.
This is harassment.
This is harassment.
Oh, man.
It's too good.
I'm serious. Cut it out.
No, this is talent.
Oh, he's got you
Can't
there.
argue with...
Why did you land on my patrol car again?
It's warm. And your driving is entertaining.
I drive fine.
Not from the air. Oh, come on.
Why do you keep following me?
You drop crumbs. I follow the buffet. Oh, man! They're not crumbs. They are now.
Somebody get him a plate!
Why were you perched on the siren?
I like dramatic entrances.
Good one.
That's dangerous.
That's branding.
Oh, man!
You chewed through our walkie wire.
It tasted better than your cafeteria food.
Ooh, that's rude.